Why people pump air into ice. This man is intentionally pumping air under frozen ice, and the reason shocked many people. In winter, when lakes freeze completely, oxygen levels in the water drop dangerously low. Without enough oxygen, fish and other aquatic life can struggle to survive. So fishermen drill holes in the ice and pump air inside. The moving air works like a ventilation system and even prevents the hole from freezing again. A simple trick, but it can save thousands of fish. Did you know this?